Is Toyota Corolla Cross good and should you buy it? Shout out JSMJ. Let's talk about it. So the good thing about the new Toyota Corolla Cross is that it comes with a hybrid system from top of the line until the base model. And on top of that, you get to enjoy the powerful 1.8 liter engine from the top of the line until the base model as well. Of course, with the top of the line Corolla Cross GRS, you get to enjoy that exclusive emotional red color and the white like the GR feeling as well, and the Toyota Safety Sense plus the sunroof. So basically that's all that you're gonna be enjoying with the top of the line prices, close to 2 million, so around 1.9 million pesos. Now with the mid variant, you still get to enjoy the Toyota Safety Sense, but you no longer have that sporty aesthetics. So the price is around 1.8 million, and again you have the Toyota Safety Sense but without the panoramic sunroof. What you're gonna be enjoying with the top of the line and the mid variant is the power tailgate. So these are basically the things that the main or the major things that you'll be enjoying with the mid variant and the top of the line, which are unfortunately stripped away from the base model. Where for the base model, which is only priced at around 1.5 million, you only have manual liftgate and you won't be able to enjoy the panoramic moonroof, and lastly the Toyota Safety Sense. So when I say Toyota Safety Sense, again, it's all about the sensors all around and the 360-degree camera, which in my opinion is great to have, but of course you can live without it in my opinion. And at least the base model has all of the other major or important aspects of the car, which are the reverse camera, rear sensors, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and the electronic parking brake and the auto hold braking system. To be honest, this base model is actually really worth considering, and I think that it's a very great value for money, which I have a review for this one on my YouTube channel, so go ahead and check it out. But regardless of the variant that you'll be choosing, I think that what you'll be paying for really for the Corolla Cross is that powerful 1.8 liter engine and all the other modern technology and the space as well, and the great build quality that it has, given that is the Toyota structure or the Toyota global platform that where it's made from. So go ahead and follow, subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you there.